Located in the Coral Triangle, Palau's reefs are built by hundreds of coral species, each one a tiny architect, together creating one of the most diverse underwater worlds on Earth. This shallow reef plateau is renowned for its exceptional coral density and diversity, where massive hard coral formations, potato corals, table corals, branching staghorn corals, and brain corals create a layered living architecture. Interwoven among them, soft corals, leather corals, sea fans, and delicate colonies add movement and color to the reef. From delicate branches to ancient boulders, these reefs are shaped by countless forms, each one building the underwater landscape we came to explore. But most iconic of all are the endless fields of potato coral. This is not just coral, it's one of the reef's oldest builders. Potato corals grow slowly, forming massive structures over hundreds of years. And as they rise, they create a world, sheltering fish, shaping currents, and bringing the reef to life. And above them, the scene begins to shift. Yellow spot emperors and two-spot snappers drift with the current, like golden lanterns glowing softly as they move through the blue. They gather, scatter, and return again, adding rhythm and motion to this ancient landscape. Another splash of color. Bannerfish drift above the reef with quiet elegance, their long fins trailing like ribbons in the current, turning the coral garden into a slow underwater ballet. Their trailing fins are not just elegant, they help them stay connected and stay safe. Where they gather like this, the reef is not just healthy, it is thriving. Another beautiful sign of a healthy reef, Maya's butterflyfish. A spadefish drifts into view, calm, almost effortless. But this gentle form hides a clever past, once mimicking drifting debris to avoid predators. Now grown, it moves with quiet confidence, curious, adaptable, perfectly at home in the calmer side of the reef. Of course, on a reef like this, anemone fish are never far away. A small family lives within the tentacles, never straying far from home. Protected by stinging tentacles, they thrive in a partnership built on trust and survival. A flash of blue sweeps across the reef, Fusiliers moving as one, feeding, turning, never still. Their synchronized motion creating a shimmering, almost electric effect. Big eyes gather in the blue, their glowing eyes built for the night ahead. For now, they wait, suspended between reef and open water, until darkness brings them to life. By day they appear silver grey. By night they turn deep red. Once overfished and now wary of every approach, the bumphead parrotfish remains a timid giant. But for a moment it reveals itself, an icon of the reef rarely seen up close. Like scattered sunlight beneath the sea, yellowtail Fusiliers drift in silver and gold, each turn a quiet shimmer, breaking, gathering, and reforming. A fleeting pattern painted across the reef. A green sea turtle rests among the coral, calm, unhurried. But as we draw closer, the moment shifts. With a few effortless strokes, she lifts into the blue, disappearing into the vastness, leaving behind only the reef and the memory of a fleeting encounter. Hidden within the coral, giant clams carve out a life in stone. Opening to the light, they reveal a remarkable partnership. Millions of tiny algae within their tissues, transforming sunlight into energy. Even in absence, they give back, empty shells becoming homes, foundations for new life. On the reef, nothing is wasted. Dark and dotted with pale spots, a juvenile midnight snapper keeps a low profile. Pyramid butterflyfish, unlike many of their relatives, do not depend on coral, allowing them to gather in greater numbers and adapt more easily to changing conditions. Ngerchong is not a place of extremes, but of quiet abundance, where coral gardens stretch endlessly and life reveals itself in layers. From ancient fields of potato coral to drifting schools and fleeting encounters with giants. It is a reef that rewards those who slow down, with balance, beauty, and the quiet rhythm of a thriving ocean.